mobile call today. Got a 2002 Chevy 1500. Got the 4.8 engine. And apparently it's a no comm and it's got misfire. So we're going to have a look into this. Okay, I'm not really sure what was going on with the no communication, because when I plugged my scanner in, it worked. Apparently his didn't. And we'll fire it up. Sounds like it's running okay at an idle. Showing a misfire. I'm going to disable the injectors one at a time here and see what happens. Let's wait until we're in closed loop here. Should be there. Ejector 1, I noticed quite a bit. Yeah, injector 2 shuts down. Reacts. Four is good. Is okay. Six is okay. Makes a difference, but maybe not as much as the other ones. And 8's okay. Okay. Let's see what else we got in here. Idle air control.
Doing to my truck? Changing the idle on me?
Just checking your idle air control.
Sounds like it's working.
Yeah.
Cool, you can do that.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool.
I can reset your idle to another.
No, that's just fine.
Okay. I've killed all your injectors one at a time. They all make a difference. Number 7 maybe not quite as much as the others, but yeah, it's pretty close. Like, I think let's just do a fuel trim reset on it. I think. Actually, no, let's not do that yet. I will have a look at your fuel trims. Well, you're YouTube famous now.
Oh.
Camera's on.
Okay.
So, you know, no cuss or
say no cussing.
Or say bad things about, you know,
Trudeau or something?
Trudeau or Biden or anybody like that.
Okay, yeah, they're watching.
Data display. Well, we got some misfire data. Okay. Nice to have that option. So right away, we're showing a misfire on cylinder 6. It's kind of jumping around a little bit there. And I thought I saw it on...
What is that, 8 or 10 keep bouncing?
That it kind of resets itself after so many seconds, I think is how that works. It takes a period of time and sort of counts the misfires. So like it was showing like up to 14 misfires there on cylinder 6. That's the bad one, looks like. Okay. Counter status.
I was going to buy one yesterday.
It's actually saying normal here, like, you know, that I don't. Yeah, you're going to buy which?
One coil, just to try one in case we wanted to, if there was a bad one.
Okay, misfire history cylinder.
The guy figured, well, he asked about codes on the phone. I said, well, I just had that random misfire. He says, well, he didn't think that was going to help any.
Okay, this is interesting. So this is in your history, all right? So the top ones we looked at were the live. This is misfire history. I'm showing cylinder 2, cylinder 4, and cylinder 6, all with misfires. So they're all in the same bank, right? So all on bank 2. Should be 8. Should have something too there. It just shows 1, but I can't explain that. I was hoping it would be high as well. Okay. And coolant temperature is working. Take air temperature is fine. Mass airflow is maybe a little bit higher than not atrociously high, but you know, it's maybe sitting
where should it be?
I'd like
what does that number mean?
That's grams per second of air flowing across the mass airflow sensor.
Okay.
And you know, I'd like to see it around 5, maybe, but you know, it's not crazy high. Like, engine load, drop position. Ejector pulse width. We better have a look at those O2 sensors. Sorry, EGR position. Your shop is a lot fuller than the last time I was here. Holy cow.
Yeah, it's too full.
Okay, so fuel trim. I guess that's what we want. So as you noticed, there's no communication problem. My scan tool's working.
Yep, mine started working.
Oh, it started working. Okay.
Yeah, it started working.
So you got a bad connection somewhere on something.
I just shoved it in the one day and away it worked.
Short term fuel trim. Okay, so we're 2. Bank 2 is nothing wrong with the short terms. Long term, she's lean on, quite acceptably lean on bank 1 and a little more so on bank 2. And alert enabled. So your fuel trims aren't atrocious. So that might just be...
It's always good on fuel.
But like as far as, you know, whether it's lean or rich or whatever,
yep.
Like a... bank 1 sensor 1 is switching nicely. Bank 2 sensor 1, same thing. So the sensors look like they're working just fine. Yeah, maybe slightly lean on bank 1 there on the voltage, what I'm seeing, and I don't know, kind of right where it should be there on bank 2. Pulse width, good. Purge, it's venting right now.
Yeah. do something with that evap?
Yeah. Just give me a second here. What do you want me to do with it?
I don't know. Find out if there's something wrong with it.
Shut it off?
You can.
I can shut it off temporarily while the scan tool's here. A second, I just want to look at the engine data. Okay, so cylinder 2, what did I say, 2, 4, and 6, we're all showing misfires. But geez, it's slight, eh? That's might be kind of tough to figure.
Well, see, that was, my spark plugs were really old.
Okay.
And so I changed them all. Like I put new ones in the other day, and it definitely ran better.
Oh, you think it did?
I think it did.
Okay.
They're sitting right beside you if you want to look at them. I kept them there so you could see them.
Not much of a spark plug reader, but kind of looks like they've been running lean, eh?
Yeah. Well, that's
maybe not too bad.
No,
like,
they're not white or nothing.
Geez, they still got electrodes though.
Yeah. They're a different part number than mine. That one's got a, yeah.
But which one did you won't remember?
I won't remember which is which. No.
There ain't a lot maybe left on that one either.
So that certainly could be causing misfires.
Yep.
When they're
any carbon tracking?
200 to 300,000 kilometers on those spark plugs.
Yeah, well, I mean, you did good on those. That's
so
okay.
So that's where some of that history could easily come from.
Yeah.
So now it seems like it's all cleaned up except for number 6. It's still misfiring. So if you want to, you can go for a drive, and when I step on it, that's when it starts flashing. Then you could see if that.
Oh, really?
Because it doesn't do nothing until you kind of boot it a little bit.
Well, that's the plan. Okay, we're under the hood here right now. Just we took a look at some misfire data, and cylinders 4 and 6 are misfiring. He put brand new spark plugs in this truck, and we're gonna probably try some swap gnostics and change those 2-cylinder coils over to a couple known good ones and see if the problem moves with it or not. And I think Trev's going to do that himself here and let me know. We'll talk to you later.